The Blizzard survival system was invented in the frigid climates of Northwest Wales. Each Blizzard product utilizes unique Reflexcell. This radical new technology provides maximum warmth and protection in the most compact of packages. Reflexcell is a triple-layer polymer foil with a honeycomb construction and interwoven elastic cording. The material reduces shock and guards against the risk of hypothermia in all weather conditions. Blizzard protection products are used by the U.S. military, emergency preparedness, law enforcement agencies, as well as outdoor sports enthusiasts, disaster relief workers, medical treatment facilities, and individuals interested in personal survival. Along with the insulating properties of Reflexcell, each product in the Blizzard Survival line has unique features. The Blizzard Survival sleeping bag provides warmth and insulation comparable to an 8 Togs sleeping bag. A simple drawstring closure allows for self-application. The Blizzard Survival Vest accommodates active mobility while providing head-to-core hypothermia protection. All Blizzard products are vacuum sealed for easy storage and handling. Simply tear to open the outer package. Instructions are located inside. Unfold and fully expand the product. To store and open Blizzard product, simply fold, press out any excess air, and store in a large resealable bag or in a Blizzard pouch.